Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's take a look at small pantry ideas. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, take a moment, head on over to facebook.com and join our home decor group over there. The same name, And Then There Was Style. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok and Pinterest as well. Same name, And Then There Was Style. Okay, but now, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's be honest. We all want a kitchen with a huge walk-in pantry and space to hide all the cereal boxes and bags of chips. Or do we? The more that I speak to people, having a huge walk-in pantry for a lot of people really isn't on the top of their list. Think of it like some people are downsizing. You have some small families where having a huge walk-in pantry is basically a waste of space for them. The reality is that many of us are stuck in a tiny kitchen with barely enough room to tuck away our collection of crazy coffee mugs that we just all seem to accumulate. Now, while I can't help your current square footage in this video, I do have some really cute and creative solutions to make your small pantry space feel more comfortable. And of course, I have some tips for you, so let's just get right into it. The first tip I would have would be to take advantage of vertical space. So one thing that we know about small pantries, they are not going to be super wide. So if it can't be wide, try to go up. You can take your organization to new heights when you add floor-to-ceiling shelves and cabinets. Keep everyday items within reach and store extra stock and lesser-used items up top. If needed, you can even install a ladder for easy access. Tip number 2, bring in another pantry option. Now, if you don't have the built-in cabinets or the empty closet for a pantry, all hope is not doomed. You can simply slide a bookcase into an empty corner of your kitchen. Of course, the famous IKEA Billy bookshelf with glass doors is perfect for recreating this idea, and it adds a really chic addition that will give you plenty of space for additional pantry storage, dishes, and even some of your favorite cookbooks. Tip number 3, make everything easy to find. So when you have a really small pantry, it's so important that everything is in its place and has a place and is super easy to find. Choose wire or mesh baskets so that you can see through them, or clear bins to make finding your favorite snacks a lot easier for you. Tip number 4, incorporate sliding shelves. If you're customizing a small pantry or just a cabinet, I would highly suggest incorporating a sliding shelf. It's not a make it or break it situation. You don't have to do this, but sliding your shelves out to easily access back of the pantry items without sifting through a million other things first is so important for your organization. Next tip, utilize behind the door storage. If you have a larger pantry door, even cabinet doors to work with, utilize a behind the door shelving system to double your storage space. It'll hold all of your small items like seasonings, condiments, packets of gravy, all that kind of stuff. And that way you can save your shelf space for other items. The key to really being able to rock a small pantry is being super organized, having a clear understanding of what you have and where you have it. This will eliminate a lot of waste and also overbuying. You all know that bottle of ketchup that we've purchased 3 times because we swear we were out at home. Yeah, it eliminates that. So if you have a wet or dry bar area that you aren't using, this is also the perfect space to put an impromptu pantry. Plus, it's always or usually made that you can close it. I love this idea as well. This is a utility cart or metal shelf, and you can just line it with all of your goodies. Maybe put some of your plates and bowls and utensils like that on there, and then save your cabinet space for your pantry items. So the picture quality isn't great on that one, and I do apologize, but I had to show you this one, you guys. This lady spoke about how she went and got these really cheap storage lockers and made a pantry in her kitchen out of them. How cute is this idea? So I know our first tip was to go high, but don't forget to go low as well. These shelves are made especially to fit under the shelf, and it actually can hold items like bread, onions, potatoes, so many cool things. This was another really cute idea as well. This person stacked crates and different crates for different items, and then just used a curtain rod and basically made a pantry that you can hide. This is so creative. Okay guys, so please do me a favor, take a moment and comment down below what was your favorite space-saving pantry idea as shown here in this video. Do you all have small pantries? Is there something that you recommend? Or do you have larger pantries and you were just curious about this? I am so curious to know, so definitely comment down below so we can chat about it in the comment section. You know, I just really thought this was a great video because, you know, you always see these really huge pantries and they are gorgeous, they are beautiful, but not everyone has that, and I feel like people with small pantries need some inspiration too. Okay guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite space-saving small pantry idea down below. If you want to know mine, I thought this was so cute because it's so easy. It's literally just some crates, a curtain rod, and then some fabric. And you've built your own little private, small, but still useful pantry. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.